Guys, I've just seen one of the weirdest things in my life. Well, it's not the weirdest, but it's one of the coolest. Right there is a baby bird, and I'm like literally 5 feet from it. Well, more like 3. And it's just sitting there. Birdie? It's blind in the one eye. I have a net right here. I'm going to try to catch him. I have him right here. I think somebody shot him. Yeah, somebody shot him right in the head. Poor buddy. I'm gonna hold him up real quick and show him to you. I would have never guessed I would have seen this, but I was just walking on this little trail here, trying to check my traps. Never mind. There's a tick on him. See right there's a tick right on his eye. See right there? Poor buddy. He just flew away. But hopefully he'll survive and not die of... It wasn't a Lyme disease tick, but still, if it on his eye like that, I don't know if he will. But remember, rate, comment, subscribe for more videos, and that is one of the coolest things I have ever seen in my life. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe.